number runs. I give MCs the runs dripping. When I throw my clip in the AK, I slay from far away.
2,000 years later.
I'm doing rhymes.
Bomb has been planted. It is going to explode. Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win.
You fucking scared me, you fucker.
Fuck you!
You motherfucker, you scared me.
Bomb has been defused. Terrorists win.
Did you guys want what was that?
It was a soundboard.
Great.
Terrorists win.
Easy time.
Hekaro, wallah, stop doing that shit. It hurts. What, Faisal? Wallah, GG.
Hekaro, you kidding me?
Easy overtime, come on.
No courage.
Everyone's rotated around towards lane side. He's gonna grab the angle, gets one more. Can he get a forward? He can't. Can he go for the ace? 8 seconds.
And that isn't gonna help. Misses the follow-up as well. They're gonna start closing in on him like shot.
Nice one, nice.
You guys playing no sound and all rounds.
Bro, honestly, I was watching you. He fucked you.
Yeah, I can see your frags. 17.
17, but these are good 17 frag. Important.
Oh shit. What's his HP? 100?
Take up, take up, take up.
Chub.
Take up.
Take up.
You don't have father?
Kaisa hai bhai Gandu?
We are your
I know
father.
your mother. I am your father. I know your mother.
You block, I go B and all die.
Bro, I wish you come with remote control so we can hit mute on you in real life.
क्या बोला रे चुतिया?
चुतिया क्या?
Gandu.
No.
Nice.
Wash.
Take up, take up. Take up.
Take up, take up.
Take the
Hekaro, take up!
Wait, stop. One more, one more, one more.
Okay,
Oh
one.
my god.
Okay, try to defuse.
No time, man.
Just try.
Ah.
You got it, you got it.